What's that? You built a house? You built a house or a tower? What's that, Richie? Huh? Oh, looks like a sheep, is it? Sheep, yeah. Oops. Oops. Huh? What's that, Richie? What are you making? Looks like a house. Oh, it's fall down again. Yes, I think it's quite strong already. Yes. Show it to me, your creation. Show it to me, please, your creation, too.